Just got off work. Now let's go back to work. What do you think, Callie? Should we go back to work? Come on, garage time. Come on, garage dog. Come on, garage dog. We're gonna go garage time. I wanna get this damn bolt out of here. It's driving me nuts. Crap, I need to put my shoes on. I need to put my shoes on. Wha-bam! Wha-bam! There we go. Now we're shoed up, ready to go. It's like 100 degrees out here. Ugh. Hot day in the Pacific Northwest. Here we are, back with our worthy adversary. And yeah, we're gonna take this off. This Kano coil surely by now has worked its magic. So let's see, can we one-hand it? Oh, you know what, this can go. We can put this over here. We can put that over there. Can we one-hand it? Okay, that just doesn't feel safe, so I'm gonna two-hand it. Hang on. We're gonna put y'all over here. Will that stay? Will that stay? Okay, good, you can see the thing. I think that's gonna stay. We'll find out if I start moving the car if that falls. Oh God, please don't break. Oh God, that doesn't sound good. Oh! Oh, oh, look at this. Woo. Kano coil, you're my best friend. Second best friend. Callie, I'm sorry. Where are you? Khaleesi! Oh, there you are. There's the dog. There's my baby girl. Come here. Come say hi. Hello, sweetheart. Can you say hello to everybody? Just don't put your paws, don't put your little puppy paws on the car. It's not a big deal. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Money. This thing's got to be rusted. Can you believe that? With all that loud popping and clicking and the bolt, there's dog fur all over it. The bolt's not even stripped. I might just clean these up with like the Dremel and a wire brush and some Kano coil and see if I can just reuse them. But I can't help but want to go to the hardware store and check out some, like, is it galvanized steel? Whatever the steel is that's like made for automotive and it doesn't corrode, like this 20-year-old, almost 20-year-old bolt. These other almost 20-year-old bolts. Don't sniff that, dog. No sniffers over here. These are just, oh, what? Is this stuck on the ground? There we go. They're just kindly sitting right there. Where they should be. Where they should be. Okay, now this should come out. Yay! I just gotta take some, like the ECU. Well, that's really easy. I just lift that up. Now I gotta take the windshield wiper motor grommet thing off. I think it's called, I don't know, whatever. The thing that holds the windshield wiper motor on here. There's like a bolt or something on the bottom. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Sweet! Now we can actually make progress. Instead of spending 45 minutes talking about it, like in the last video. Oh, that was fun. I had a lot of fun talking to myself, but I didn't feel like I really got much done. Cut the intake off, and that whole paneling up there off. And that was about it. What do we got there? Okay, that's all. You're allowed to have that. You're allowed to have sticks. Yep. So cool. That's exciting. I'm pumped. Yay. So, we got the bolt off earlier, as you saw. I thought I was gonna burp. I didn't. It was a sissy burp. And now, Callie's gonna help us take the rest of this off. Gotta remove the strut bar thing. There's like a dealio holding it onto the windshield wiper, so I'm gonna take that off first. And then I'm gonna take the intake manifold off. And you might ask yourself, gee, good sir, how do you do that? And I would answer, I don't know. But I'm gonna F around and find out. With the socket wrench, that's how. It looks like there's only like 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's like 4 bolts each. And then there's some clips and stuff on it. You got a stick dog there. And a Bartle skeet. Got me a Bartle skeet, boys. Hell yeah, Hemi brothers. I don't know if you guys watch Clay's McFarlane, but I'm sure some of you do. He's hilarious, cracks me up. Anyway, let's get this started. I don't know what size that is. I'm gonna set my Bartle skeet down here. You getting a stick? You're okay, go ahead. Get a stick. Callie, get a stick. Get one. Go ahead. You're not in trouble. You're fine. Yeah. Pick a good one. Make sure you pick a good one. Can you get it? Oh, is it stuck? What? What one do you want? Are you trying to get this one? It's not stuck. You can get it. What are you trying to get in there? Do you want, oh, I see, you want this one. There, now can you get it? It's like bobbing for sticks in the box. Here, let Dad do it. There you go. There you go. Now she's happy. That took way too long. Callie, your stick grabbing, never mind, I'm not even gonna say that. That's horrible. She's happy. We're happy. Now let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Hold on, I'm gonna move the camera. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm gonna leave it on the stick. Because, sorry about the noise. Because I'll be going back and forth a lot. So, what we really need to do here is move some of these over. And some of these can stay there actually. And what do you think this is? Maybe, I don't know what size this is. Looks like it might fit. Nope, a little too small. We need a different one. Let's go with this sucker. What is this anyway? You okay? Hey, why don't you leave that alone? You have a stick. You're fine. Okay, get a different one. Callie, what are you doing? Oh well. There she is. That's the right size. Probably gonna need an extension. Extensions are here. Oh, here they are. This ought to do. Yeah. Yeah, now we're getting somewhere. We need this little mini socket wrench. Yep. Yep. Feeling good. Oh, don't tighten it. Wait, right? Right is that way. Okay, so this is right. Ooh. That sucker's in there, isn't it? Gosh dang it, why are all these old rusty bolts pain in the butt to get off? Well, you know what? I don't want to break it. So I can do this. I'll stay there just fine. So, we'll go here. Then I think I can watch. How about that spot? Is that good? Oh, I'm turning it to the right, aren't I? Shit. Look at this. I'm a dummy. The problem was I was turning it the wrong way. I think I didn't do too much of that. But these are actually pretty easy to crack loose, which is good. It's good. Oh, there we go. Here we go. And this one's a little tricky. I didn't end up buying that tool I was gonna get at Lowe's. I said something about this on Instagram, but not on YouTube. There's a tool I was gonna get, I didn't get, because it was on sale at Lowe's, but they have like, you buy it and you get like a battery pack and a charger, and they didn't have any of the battery packs and chargers left, so I'm just waiting till those come back in stock. Look at her. It's okay, good girl. She wants to go inside and chew her stick on the nice comfortable dog bed, which is just a sheepskin. I don't blame her. I don't blame her at all. I would do the same thing. Okay, so just need to crack these open. I'm gonna have to disconnect all the crap off the intake manifold, but I just wanted to get these loose first. Because what does this wire go to? Oh man, it's nice and dirty back there. It's nice and dirty. We probably should clean that up. Let's see. Let us see here. I'm gonna get some gloves. It's all dirty in there. And I don't want to spend an hour and a half trying to get all that crap off my hands. So, oops, sorry. I don't know if I was blocking the sound, but I was saying I'm gonna get some gloves, and I did. They're right here. Because I don't want to spend forever cleaning my hands off. Are you ready, doctor? Perfect. What are you doing? Hi, are you the doctor? Are you the doctor dog? Dr. Dog here? What? What are you doing? I don't want it. It's yours. It's yours. That is the car jack. Callie's a little too interested. She's like, what are you doing, Dad? No, it's late, Callie. You can't bark. It's too late for that. It's too late to be a noisy dog. Anyway, this video is not going to be an hour like my other ones because it's late. And I just promised myself that I would come out here and do some work before it got to be bedtime. So that's what I'm doing here. Work before bedtime. Okay. So, gotta figure out how to take this sucker out. Can you all see me over here? I think you can. Just a little grommet here. It's a little grommet here of some sort. Oh shit, it goes that way. Okay, I see how this works. I see how this works. I'm gonna pull this off of here. Kind of set that aside. What? Oh, it's the ECU, so we go like this. Wait a second. Time out. This is like a puzzle now. Because this just needs to slide over that way. There we go. Got it. Okay. This just comes out of here. Ta-da. I think it's like that. Yeah, baby. There we go. I might clean this up a little. Oh, look. It's sad. Got some rust on here. See? Might have to clean that up with a Dremel and paint it. Because I got paint over there in that pile of stuff. Basically just detailing products and paint. So, we got that sucker out of the way, finally. Now we just gotta unclip a bunch of crap, which I don't really remember, but I have written down. So I'm not gonna remember all this stuff. All right, we gotta take the injector plug, map sensor plug, throttle body plug. Then there's a vacuum hose on the back of the intake manifold, and the fuel, look at, I have these instructions and screenshots because I don't know what I'm doing. Fuel rails come off with the intake manifold, but they're connected to a fuel line, right? So we're probably gotta take that off. I don't know where the fuel line is. I don't know where the fuel line is. I bet it's connected here somewhere. There's the fuel rail. Fuel injectors. Plugs for the fuel. Fuel line's gotta be, oh, that's what this is right here. Okay. So we're gonna have to figure out how to disconnect that without making a mess. Cause that's all we need is a bunch of fuel all over the frickin' garage, so. I better go figure out how to do that. And then, yeah, and then we'll have to come back. Cause that's gotta come off next. So, yeah, that's where we're at. And that's what we're gonna do next. I'm literally just like taking a couple pieces off at a time. And you know how that is. First time you do it takes way longer than when you do it the second time. So I've never taken the top end of this engine or any engine apart for that matter. But that's part of the fun. All right, so I'm gonna have to disconnect the fuel line. I think I have a tool for that actually. And then we're gonna have to disconnect all these, which is no big deal. Yeah, and we'll be back. We'll be back and we'll probably get once all this crap on the top is taken apart and all the lines and cables and stuff are out of the way, it's gonna be way easier to make moves. Cause then I'll just have to take the radiator out, which is kind of in the way. I'm gonna clean this up too, cause there's like oil and crap down there. It's an old motor, you know. Yeah, and we'll get all this crap out of the way. We'll have to lift it up, drain all the fluids, and then we'll be in business. Disassembly is gonna take way longer than reassembly, I think. We'll see. I got all the torque specs and stuff. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. And we'll see you next time. Peace out.